Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the SUMIF function in Microsoft Excel. Let's say you're a baller like me and you have multiple income streams. I have 3 separate checking accounts and I'm depositing checks ranging from $1, $2, all the way up to $7. So my data consists of 3 different checking accounts and a whole lot of different amounts. What I want to do is use SUMIF to get the total for each account. First thing I want to do is copy all of these cells and then paste them over here. And then I will go to the Data tab and remove duplicates. So this sets me up to be able to get a total for each of these checking accounts. I'll select this blank cell next to Wells Fargo and then click on Insert Function. I'll click on SUMIF and then hit OK. For the range, I will select everything under the checking column and then hit F4 to use absolute cell references. This just means that the range will stay the same even if I copy and paste the formula. For the criteria, I will click on Wells Fargo. For the sum range, I will click on all of these amounts and I'll hit F4. Then I'll hit OK. So that gives me the total for Wells Fargo, and I'll just copy this formula down. So now that gives me the total for each of these checking accounts. So all this data is now compacted into 3 lines. And if you wanted to quickly check, I can select this first column here, go to the Data tab, hit Filter, and I can check them individually. If I select the amounts, the sum shows up at the bottom right here. So I can see that Bank of America has a sum of 22, and that checks out. Credit Union has a sum of 21, and that checks out. And Wells Fargo has a sum of 16, and that checks out. So there you have it, folks. I'm rich. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one.